Candy-coloured clown they call the Sandman, tiptoes to my room every night, just to sprinkle stardust and to whisper, go to sleep, everything is alright. I close my eyes, then I drift away into the magic night. I softly say a silent prayer, like dreamers do. Then I fall asleep to dream my dreams of you. In dreams I walk with you. In dreams I talk to you. In dreams you're mine all the time. In dreams, just before the dawn, I awake and find you gone. I can't help it, I can't help it if I cry. I remember that you said goodbye. It's too bad all these things only come in my dreams. Hardy there, pluckers. I saw things again with a real classic from Roy Orbison, of course, and a song called In Dreams from about 63, I think it was. Sorry about singing, sorry to offend anybody with my Roy Orbison impression, but just for reference, okay? So standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as the original song by Roy Orbison, of course. Fairly simple, straightforward chords in this, nothing too difficult, okay? Starts off with the single strum intro on a few chords, so starting off with a C. Candy-coloured clown they call A minor, the Sandman, D minor, tiptoes to my room every G7, right, back to C, just a sprinkle stardust and to A minor again, whisper, and go to D minor, sleep, every G7, thing is all C, right, so just to repeat, C, candy-coloured clown they call A minor, D minor, tiptoes to my room every G7, right, C, just a sprinkle stardust and to A minor, whisper, D minor, go to sleep, G7, everything, C is alright. Bit of a pause and then comes in with a classic line, I close C, C chord, then I drift D minor away into G7, the magic night, back to C, I softly say, stay on the C, a silent prayer, like D minor do, then I fall G7, sleep to dream, in my dreams of you, C, back to C, stay on C, in dreams I walk G7 with you, F, in dream G7 I talk to you. stay on C. In dreams you're mine. D7. All of the time. C would again. D minor. G7 in C. Dreams. D minor in dreams. Bit of a quick change there. So that middle section is in dreams. C. I walk. G7 with you. Go to an F, in dream, G7, I talk, back to C, to you, stay there. In dreams, you're mine, D7, all the time, we're together. C, D minor, G7, in C, C, dreams, D minor, G7, so that's C together, D minor, G7, in C, D minor, G7. Let me have a little rundown. So we do 4 beats on that G7, in D, 4, then there's a little rundown. Okay, so it's 2 notes on open G, 2 hits on the 3rd fret of the 4th string, 2nd fret, 4th string, and then 2 lots of D open. So, okay, and then we're going into the next section, which is just before the dawn. That's C to F minor, back to C. C, just be F minor, so the C. Dawn. F minor is first 3 frets of the 1st fret, first fret on the 1st finger, playing the first 3 strings on the bar on the 1st fret, and then the way I play it is to put my 3rd finger up to the 3rd fret of the 5th string, pinky on the 3rd fret of the 4th string, 5 down to 1. You could play a full bar chord if you wanted to, or just a simple F minor, like first 3 strings on the 1st fret, 3rd fret of the 4th string. Whichever one you want. Okay, so G, B, F minor, so back to C, repeat, I wait, F minor to find, C, gone, I can't, and you stop on I can't. You're gone, you're gone, I can't help it, bap, 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 on C. Bap, 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 just 3 downstrokes, yeah? I can't help it, again, 3 strokes, bap, bap, bap. If I, D minor, cry, I remember, and then 3 strokes on G7, that you said, 3 strokes on G7, good, C, bye, all these things, that's just C to F to G7. It's too bad that F, G7, please sing. So we can only C, and F, G7, dreams, last line, C. What I tend to do there is play C to C major 7th. I just take off the 1st finger. Okay, so it's Lee is open, C major 7th, leave the 2nd string open. Okay, so in D7, dreams, in view, what I play for beautiful is the D minor 7. That's like an F chord without the 3rd finger, open 4th string. 5 down to 1, barring the first 2 strings on the 1st fret and the 2nd finger playing the 2nd on the 3rd there. Open 4th, open 5th. So it's D minor 7th, in view, G7, back to C, dream. And then we just a couple of strums and then a single. Dreams, finish it off. Yeah, so it goes. It's these things. That's line. And there it boys and girls, my quick and easy way of playing Dreams from Roy Orbison. Hopefully that makes sense to you. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.